Welcome to episode 11 of the Diamond Art Garage. Today we'll continue with our 202 series where we'll look at advanced terminology and technologies in car audio. Today we're going to look at signal processors and the benefits they offer when tuning a car audio system. Now, in this video we'll cover the basic functions of signal processors and how they can be used to help tune your audio system. Digital signal processors are essential components to any high-performance car audio system. These processors are used to optimize the audio signal before it reaches the amplifier and speakers, resulting in more accurate, balanced, and dynamic sound. A signal processor can be one of many components, such as a preamp, equalizer, and crossover. We'll start at volume and tone control. This function allows adjustment of tone controls like treble and bass and the overall output level of the audio signal to ensure consistent volume across all frequencies. This is usually achieved through an analog potentiometer or a digital level control. Equalization involves adjusting the frequency response of the audio signal to balance out the sound and correct for any tonal imbalances. This is usually achieved through a graphic equalizer or a parametric equalizer. A crossover filters the entire frequency response like how a prism does to light, by separating the audio into frequency ranges like a prism separates in the colors. For example, a high-pass filter can send high frequencies to tweeters, and a low-pass filter can send low frequencies to subwoofers. This helps to ensure that each speaker is only reproducing frequencies it was designed for, improving the overall sound quality and prevent overdriving your speakers. Now, signal phase, commonly called time alignment, involves the adjustment of timing the sound waves from each speaker to ensure they arrive at your ears at the same time. Ideally, this happens when the musical instruments appear to be coming from the top of your dash. There are different types of signal processors, analog and digital. Independent analog provides adjustments for only one function. On the other hand, all-in-one digital processors provide multiple adjustment functions in one box, allowing for easier installation and lower cost. Now, let's talk about Rockford Fosgate's DSR1, or Digital Signal Router. The DSR1 combines the functionality of a preamp, equalizer, and crossover with phase alignment in an all-in-one DSP. This can be easily controlled with an Android or iOS device, giving you improved sound quality and reliability. You can also use the built-in Maestro interface that allows you to interface with your vehicle's digitally controlled audio system, giving you increased system and integration flexibility. All right, in this video we explained how signal processors play a crucial role in high-performance car audio systems. Hopefully we showed you how they improve sound quality, integration flexibility, and improve reliability. If you have additional questions, feel free to talk with your authorized dealer. They're always happy to help you find the best solution for your system. Check out our website at rockfordfosgate.com for available models and for more information on system design. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next video.